relationship between Instone and Earthcore is a partnership.
They really opened up a big market for the Isokern product because they deal with a lot of people that we would never reach.
They're like our heartbeat in our network in areas that we don't have installing offices. So they facilitate being able to get the product somewhere we can't.
Just thinking of the brick and mortar that you have to go through, or the transportation cost, the employee cost, the head counts, in order to achieve all that. It would cost Earthcore, or anybody that's not using Instone, a tremendous amount of hard dollars to achieve the same results.
We do what we can to help Instone be successful by providing marketing, anything we can do to make sure that they're as proud of Isokern as we are.
I came out of the automotive industry, and our customers, they picked up what material they needed for that week. That was the best arrangement for a manufacturing facility you could imagine. The only customer that does that with Earthcore is Instone. That makes it so easy for us. They're going to be here every Thursday. The truck's coming. We know they're going to get material. They help us grow as much as we help them grow.
I want to thank you because you guys have really taken Isokern to new levels into people's homes and places that we would have never reached.